welcome back. So after some fog this morning, we had a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. The winds have flipped around to more of a dry southwesterly flow, so that's why we barely had a cloud in the sky today, and we warmed up pretty nicely. Over the last couple of days, we had a few clouds in here and cooler air filtered in, but we're right back up there to 64 degrees right now in North Platte after reaching a high in the mid to upper 60s, and we continue to keep mainly clear skies. Wind south around 6 miles per hour, continuing to pump in that warm air. We're into the lower 60s currently at Broken Bow in Lexington and at Thedford. Mid 60s at Valentine. Hyannis is holding at 60 and 64 out toward Ogallala. There's your winds, mainly from a southerly direction for everybody. Wind speeds right now 5 to 15 miles per hour. And here's a look at the Doppler radar once again. And if it wasn't for this clock moving, you wouldn't think it was a movie because there's barely a cloud in the sky across any of our viewing area in central or western Nebraska. Now, across the country, we do have some moisture, but the low is tracking off to the south, riding a jet stream just south of us, so that's going to miss us. We got high pressure in charge of our forecast and another one on the way. When you see this dual high pressure system, it usually means sunny skies and warm weather is going to be the story over the next few days, and this is definitely going to happen, especially as we round out the weekend and start next week. We got that cool air that's working its way away from us. Now, after this high pressure system crests over us, we continue to keep a good amount of sunshine, then we really start to warm up. More of a southerly flow to start next week. That disturbance off the coast doesn't really get here until midweek next week, and it'll give us another chance of some showers in some areas and cooler weather on the way to finish out next work week. So we're going to stay mainly warm until then. Mostly clear skies as we go through tonight, falling back through the 50s into the 40s this evening. We're going to keep that southerly wind. So even with the clear skies, temperatures are going to stay mild for this time of night and this time of year. Going through the overnight, mainly clear skies with low temperatures ranging from the upper 30s out east to the upper 20s into our western counties where it is drier. As we go through the day tomorrow, temperatures getting right back up there into the upper 60s, sunny to mostly sunny skies. There's a little disturbance that makes its way through for Sunday. We should stay dry, but we will cloud up. Under partly cloudy skies, we start off into the upper 20s and lower 30s. The clouds will keep temperatures down just a little along with more of a northerly wind, but temperatures really still not bad, even under the cloud cover on Sunday with low to mid 60s across the region. So here's what it looks like. One high exits, another one is in charge as we start next week. That one really warms us up with that southerly wind. And high temperatures next week could be into the lower 70s before this next system gets here and will cool us down as we finish out the work week and then go through the weekend. Here's the forecast for tonight. Clear skies and seasonably cool into the lower 20s or lower 30s for most of us. Then as we go through the day tomorrow, sunny skies and warmer, upper 60s and lower 70s with more clouds on Sunday. Still warm and dry with low to mid 60s, but that wind does flip around a little more to a northerly direction. Doesn't last very long because we're right back up there. 68 on Monday, sunny skies through Tuesday, breezy, a high of 75, and 69 on Wednesday with sunshine. But then the cooler air filters in, only a 10% chance of moisture under partly cloudy skies Thursday and Friday, but a high of 64 Thursday turns into a high of only 57 for the day on Friday. Kent?
A lot of people looking for that chance of rain, and it doesn't look like there's much of it over the next week.
Yeah, unfortunately not much here in central Nebraska. You have to make your way out west before you have more rain chances.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And the first coins featuring King Charles III have been produced in UK's Royal Mint. The Royal Mint is making 9.6 million copies of the 50-pence coin, which also pays tribute to Queen Elizabeth II. The back of the coin is a replica of the one produced